happy Tuesday. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We do all kinds of fun unboxing, so if you enjoy that, this is definitely a channel for you. We also do live streams, giveaways, and product reviews. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing the October 2019 Allure Beauty Box. So for those of you that do not know, Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and it is obviously a beauty subscription. You receive sample, deluxe size, and sometimes even full-size items in this box, like I said, for only $15 a month. If you have not signed up and it's something you're interested in, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. But I do want to also say you can get your first box for only $10, and you can also sign up through Allure or through Amazon. Either way, you get your first box for $10, which is great. I go through Amazon just because, I'll be honest, the customer service and stuff with Allure sometimes can be pretty frustrating. So I go through Amazon, and I just have really enjoyed it since switching. So, but let's get in here. They've gone back again to the white box with the metallic Allure. So let's see what we got for October. So as always, there is a magazine on top right here with a beautiful lady, and it goes over each of the products inside, so we will reference that when we need to. It does give full-size pricing, not the pricing for the actual items we have unless they are full-size, obviously. But we have the red tissue paper. All right, first thing, what is this? This is, looks like a coupon for some jewelry, $20 off. The code is Allure20 if you're interested. All right. And y'all, I see some amazing stuff in here, okay? Like, yes. You got me this month, Allure, you got me. All right, so we're gonna start with the first item that I am like so excited about. I'm wishing it was a little bit bigger now that I see the actual size, but I know this is a pricey product, so I'm fine with this. And this is the brand new Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream, and the full price is $65, like for the full size jar. We got a little baby sample, but that's okay. Either way, I'll turn it the right way. There's still a good amount in there. I don't know why I smelled it. It just smells like a cream. It's a facial moisturizer, so it is tiny little baby, but this would be great for traveling. This would be, you know, something definitely obviously to let you try it out, see if you like it, because I mean, as a facial moisturizer, you should be able to get at least maybe like a week out of this. So I think it's worth it. I'm so excited to try it. And let's see, one of the editors with Allure says, if you could bottle glowy, dewy radiance, you'd arrive at this brand new moisturizer from Sunday Riley. It reminds me of a little icing in the tub. It's thick and smells like vanilla, but this cream melts into skin as fast as serum. I didn't smell vanilla. Oh, it is thick, like, okay. Let's see. I don't really smell vanilla, but it does feel so nice. Yeah, I don't really smell vanilla, but it did go into my skin very nicely. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to try that on my face. All right, so I'm so excited about that. Now, the next item is, oh, there's another one, but we're going to go in order. From M61 Powerful Skincare, Powerful Glow Peel. And full price is $30 for 10 treatments. We got 3 treatments. So it's a 1 minute, 1-step exfoliating facial peel, quick glycolic and salicylic acid exfoliating peel with vitamin K, bilberry, and chamomile. Concentrated treatment. It is 100% paraben free, synthetic fragrance free, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, vegan. It doesn't say, am I not seeing anything about cruelty free? This Radiant Glow Peel provides deep exfoliation, resurfaces, clarifies, and helps to firm skin. Glycolic and salicylic acid help to reduce pore size, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improves the skin's tone, texture, and clarity. Oh, that sounds amazing. Vitamin K helps to reduce the appearance of spider veins and combats dry rosacea-like patches. Antioxidant bilberry extract helps promote an even skin tone, while chamomile and lavender assist in calming and smoothing irritation. After cleansing and drying the skin, wipe the pre-soaked towelette over the face, neck, and décolleté while avoiding eye area. Do not rinse off. Follow with a moisturizer. Recommend starting 3 times a week and building up to every day. Powerful products, effective results. So I'm excited to give that a try and maybe follow it up with my new Sunday Riley. All right, so the next item, yay, I'm so excited. You can never have too many of these. I don't care what size they are. We got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, you guys. What? Yes, love, love, love. Full size is $45. She says, this is again a beauty editor, Sol de Janeiro's classic body moisturizer with, oh, I don't even know how to say this, cacao, something butter, is both richly emollient and non-greasy. That's a feat in itself, but the main attraction is the smell. It's sugary, buttery, and beachy, like the fresh coconuts and sweet popcorn sold on many of Rio's beaches. The aroma is so magnetic that more than one friend has asked me to use mine and kept it and proceeded to buy more. And you guys, this stuff, if you have not smelled this, oh my gosh. All right, so this has a safety seal. I'm not going to take it off because I do have one that is open, a larger one. But y'all, yes, this and this make the box for me. Those two alone. I am kind of excited to try these, and obviously we still have more to go. So, but I think this little guy right here, this like travel size, this right here alone is $10. The full size, the big one, is what's $45. So, I mean, even if you got this box and it was your first box and you paid $10, just this one product alone would have covered the value, or, you know, the price. And then you have, obviously, this Sunday Riley product, which is amazing, and more. So, that looks like a lot more, actually. All right, so next we have, and this would be considered a full-size product, it's $13. This is from Model Co. This is their Metallic Eyeshadow Trio in Saint Tropez. And it's $13 if I did not say. So there is that. And I'll show you guys. I'll probably put this to the side for a giveaway, just because I know, oh, even though these are gorgeous colors. Like, they're so gorgeous and so appropriate for fall. Those are so beautiful. But I just don't typically reach for smaller shadows like that. So I'll definitely be putting that to the side. One of you guys hopefully will love it. And like I said, that's $13. And then we also have another product from Model Co. Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in Granite. Full size is $9. This blackened silver cream shadow dries quickly and looks fresh hours after application. And unlike a lot of creams, it doesn't crease or fade. I just don't know if I would wear, but I don't have anything like this. And model code is cruelty free, just so you know. Whoa. Okay, so here's the picture, right? So it looks kind of silvery. That looks black, but sparkly. You know what? I think I am going to keep this because I don't have anything like this. So we'll do a little swatch here. Yeah, it says granite. Y'all, but that is like black. It says this blackened silver, and it looks silver in the picture, but that's black. Like, that's like legit black, but it does have some sparkle to it. So, I mean, it definitely, you know, if you wanted to pop in a little bit of black or spread out to make a smoky eye, this may work. So I'm going to give it a try. And then we have another product. This is from Knip. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Mineral bath salt in Dream Away. It's vegan. It has essential oils. So there is that guy. I know it can't be $20 for one of these. There's no way. It doesn't say if it's a pack of however many, but it just says $20. But I highly doubt that one of these is $20. It says, I usually take baths to soothe my muscles after a workout, not to chill out. And these salts made for a bath that deeply relaxed my achy spots. The pre-dose packet has just the right amount of salts for one bath, but when I dumped them into the water, something unexpected happened. It turned bright. I'm talking electric blue. It was definitely playful, even though I was a little worried it would stain my tub or my skin, but unfortunately there was no Smurf effect. I love the smell of the bath from the get-go. It reminded me of lavender and eucalyptus, and my skin felt really soft after I got out of the water. Also, I may be rethinking the whole bathing to chill out thing. The smell is so calming. I fell into bed and the deepest sleep right after. Okay, so maybe, I mean, that's why it's called Dream Away. High content of pure and natural thermal spring salt is obtained from pure natural brine in Europe's only remaining open pan salt works. It's dermatologist tested and recommended, contains plant-based functional ingredients, no preservatives, no paraffin, silicone or mineral oils, no animal testing. Contains valuable essential valerian oil and hops extract known for encouraging relaxation. I don't know, sounds very interesting. And then we have a product in here that is on the back, but it's not like listed as a product, and that is the Lumify eye drops. And y'all, if you haven't tried these, I love these. They really, really do get any redness or anything. They just make your eyes bright and just awake and beautiful. So I'm so happy to have another set, or not set, but another little bottle of these, because I really love these. And like I said, it's not listed in here, but y'all, these are the best eye drops ever. All right, so this has dried down. Can you guys see that sparkle now? So I do see, oh, and it is, I mean, it's not transferring or anything. So that is nice. So I'm actually excited to play for that, even though I thought it was going to be more silvery rather than black, but it's still shimmery and pretty. So anyway, you guys, that was the October 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Let me know down below what you guys thought. Again, I'm so excited about the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream or Boom Boom Cream, and the Sunday Riley, the brand new ice cream. So ice cream. So anyway, let me know what you thought down below. Again, I hope you have a fantastic Tuesday, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.